Hi guys, this is Preston of course guys. Titas natin itong Mete MC9 Prime guys. Very perfect guys kung gusto niyo yung mga EDC gun. Maganda, perfect siya guys. Ang ganda ng size niya. And of course, kinabitan din natin ng vector optics para accurate na accurate. Ang ganda rin ng handling niya guys. Very aggressive, pero hindi naman masyadong aggressive, hindi naman siya nakakasugat. So ang ganda, flared magwell na rin siya. Ganda, busog na busog to guys sa package niya. Ang ganda. And of course guys, ported na rin siya guys. So it reduces recoil. So if you're looking for EDC gun guys na very compact, ang ganda na rin, and ang ganda sa kamay. Yan, you can't go wrong with a Canik MC9 Prime guys. So check din natin to guys.
Kaya nyo ano magazine dyan?
MC9 Prime, try natin. Pare. Pang EDCing toy natin. So yun guys, Canik MC9 Prime guys, ang ganda, very recommendable and very accurate. Of course yung compensator niya, yung ang ganda, na-reduce yung recoil. So try nyo to guys kung may chance kayo. So this is press checking Canik MC9 Prime.